So here is my game project part 5. You can see you've got the objects declared here and then initialized accordingly under the setup function. Then under the draw function, I've got the controls here to make sure that the background can scroll, as well as drawing the initial scenery. Here we have the draw function for the canyon, which draws the canyon and also checks to see if the game character is in that space of the opening of the canyon. And here, if that is true, the character will fall. And then similarly, we've got the function here to draw the collectibles and also check if they have been already collected so that they don't draw again. And here's the pop to also for the scrolling of the background. Here we have the drawing of the game character, and just add gravity to make sure the character falls, the key controls for movement of the game character, and then here's all the code to actually draw the game character, as well as the background scenery. And then here are the canyon and collectible functions for the various things that we need to do to make sure the canyon and the collectibles work correctly. And if I save this, go to the actual game and play, you can see that I'm collecting the collectibles. The background does scroll, and if I fall in a canyon, the character falls.